Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roman and today it's day 3 of my Practice to Talk challenge. So my today topic is Start Again. I will explain what it's about and why it's important in our daily lives to know to start again each single day. 2 years ago I did my Vipassana meditation for the first time, and one of the most important things I learned is that with each next meditation you kind of start again. You start again and trying to do it a little bit better than previous time. Maybe first time you completely out of focus and you cannot concentrate or watch your thoughts even for a moment. The next time it's a little bit better, and with each next repetition you improve. So in a sense you start again each time you start to meditate. Now, why it's important in our daily lives to use this start again idea? Because in a sense each single day is we wake up and we start again, a new day, and maybe I want accomplish some goal, and for this to accomplish this goal I need to follow certain routine. Maybe I'm a sportsman and I need to follow my schedule and to have certain diet and to do certain exercise, and if I approach it with this kind of with this mindset of each next day starting again and doing it a little bit better, it put off a lot of pressure for me, because first day maybe I just trying to find some basic ideas how I do it. Next day I get some ideas about how to make my exercise better. Next day I improve a little bit because now I have a better place to exercise, and with each next day I improve. And if I follow this process from day to day, shortly, maybe in 1-2 months, I already have established routine that will allow me to accomplish my goal. And in general, you can use this approach in your daily life. You start a new day, you trying to do something, maybe you make mistakes, you think about them, you learn from them, and get a better ideas how to do things, and the next day you naturally do it better. Okay my friends, it's all for today. I talked just a little bit about the start again idea, how it comes from Vipassana meditation and how we can implement it in our daily lives. So I hope you enjoyed this video, it was beneficial for you. Please like, subscribe below, and I will see you tomorrow in the next day of my Practice to Talk challenge.